First, this is festive season all around the world and we have got so many launches from Apple's iPhone 16 series, Google Pixel, Samsung, Xiaomi and more. Also, there are huge discounts on old models as well. So if you are looking to switch to new phone or have already got one, the very first thing you may want is to transfer data like photos, videos, documents from old phone to new phone. And there are many ways we can transfer phone data like move to iOS, Samsung Switch, iCloud or Google Drive backup. But when it comes to transfer WhatsApp chats from one phone to another phone without data loss or factory reset, all these solutions may not work. Some need latest hardware or may need to factory reset, so we may lose our old data. So what is the solution? How to transfer WhatsApp chats from one phone to another phone without data loss or factory reset? Well, there is a solution and that's exactly what I am going to share with you all in this video. So keep watching the video and by the end of it, you will also be able to transfer WhatsApp chats from one phone to another phone without factory reset and data loss. Hey folks, Mathokil from drfone Engineers back with another data transfer tutorial, and today I wanna show you all how to transfer WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone without factory resetting iPhone. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the WhatsApp data transfer process. And to transfer WhatsApp data, we will be using best phone transfer software, which is Wondershare Dr.Fone. Wondershare Dr.Fone WhatsApp transfer helps to transfer and backup WhatsApp chats in clicks. We can also transfer WhatsApp business messages between iOS and Android seamlessly and effortlessly. Dr.Fone also offers phone transfer that helps to move phone data from one phone to another, be it Android or iPhone. It supports more than 8,000 devices including Apple, Samsung, Huawei, Oppo, Sony, Google and more. It also supports the latest iOS and Android, including devices provided by AT&T, Verizon, Sprint and T-Mobile or unlocked. Well, that's not it. It also offers to transfer data from iOS to Android, iOS to iOS, Android to Android, along with phone data transfer from Android to iPhone. And here is why you should choose Wondershare Dr.Fone, as it offers high-speed transfer compared to other official transfer tools like Move to iOS and Samsung Switch. Simply follow 3 simple steps to transfer WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone without data loss or factory reset. Wow, that seems really easy. Let's get started, and first, let's know how to download Wondershare Dr.Fone for free. And for that, simply follow the links in the description and pinned comment to visit Wondershare Dr.Fone official website. And now click try for free. It starts downloading, and once Wondershare Dr.Fone full version free download for PC completes, click on it to start with installation process. Follow the steps to complete installation, and once done, click on this. Now here we have Wondershare Dr.Fone with all its features and capabilities. First, we can do so much with Wondershare Dr.Fone, but today I wanna show you all how to transfer WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone without factory resetting iPhone. But before that, let me show you the data I am looking to transfer. Here is my OnePlus Android phone with WhatsApp that has chats with photos, videos, voice notes and stickers. Now I am looking to transfer it to my iPhone 12. So let's get started and know how to transfer WhatsApp from OnePlus to iPhone 12. And for that, simply click WhatsApp transfer. This opens Dr.Fone WhatsApp transfer. Now from here we can transfer WhatsApp messages from one device to another device, can back up WhatsApp messages to PC, restore WhatsApp backup file to phone. Next, we get option to transfer WhatsApp business messages from Android to iPhone. We can also use to transfer line data, Viber data, Kik data and transfer WeChat data from Android to iPhone. As we want to transfer WhatsApp chats from Android to iPhone without factory reset, click WhatsApp. Now click transfer WhatsApp messages. Here we need to connect our devices with Dr.Fone. Now first connected my OnePlus Android phone to computer by USB, and here shows up in source device. Next we need to connect iPhone to computer by lightning cable. Thereafter iPhone shows up in destination device. Now to transfer WhatsApp messages from OnePlus to iPhone, click transfer. Here we will be required to pick a plan to get started with WhatsApp data transfer. If you are looking for one-time WhatsApp transfer, then choose monthly plan, or you can choose a plan as per your requirement and click buy now to get a plan. This opens up Wondershare Dr.Fone official website to complete payment. Choose any of these payment methods to complete payment, and once done, come back to Wondershare Dr.Fone WhatsApp transfer. Now click login. Here we need to log in using our Wondershare account. Once we are logged in, we will get a pop-up on Android to allow USB debugging. Tick this checkbox and then tap OK. Once both devices are connected, we are ready to transfer WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone, and to transfer data, click transfer. Now here we get option to choose if you want to keep the existing WhatsApp data on iPhone or not. Here you should choose yes if you are already using WhatsApp on iPhone and have some old WhatsApp chats and want to merge WhatsApp chats from Android to iPhone. As I am not yet using WhatsApp on my iPhone, I will not change it, and click next to continue with WhatsApp data transfer. Now Wondershare Dr.Fone starts with WhatsApp data transfer process. Check WhatsApp app and backup data on Android phone. Here we need to turn on end-to-end encryption on OnePlus WhatsApp, and for that simply follow the steps. Open WhatsApp and then tap three dots. Now tap settings. Next tap chats and then scroll down. Here we have chat backup. Tap on it and then tap this to enable end-to-end encrypted backup. After this, click next on Dr.Fone. Next tap turn on and then tap generate your 64-digit key. Now stay on this screen and click scan on Dr.Fone. Thereafter we need to follow these steps to complete backup. Tap I saved my 64-digit key. Next tap create and then tap backup. It will create an encrypted WhatsApp backup on Android phone. Thereafter click next on Dr.Fone. Dr.Fone continues with WhatsApp chats transfer process and will backup WhatsApp chat to computer. Now we need to log in on iPhone's WhatsApp using any number or account. I will be using the same number to log in. Click tap and agree. Next, enter the number and verify it using the verification code sent on Android's WhatsApp. Now once we are logged in on iPhone's WhatsApp, click login successfully, continue. Now we will be required to turn off Find My iPhone, and for that simply follow these steps. Open settings and then tap profile. Now here we have Find My. Next tap Find My iPhone. Here toggle this off and enter Apple ID password. This will turn off Find My iPhone. Once done, click try again on Dr.Fone. Dr.Fone continues with WhatsApp messages transfer and will restore WhatsApp data from PC to iPhone. Once done, here we have confirmation. Your Apple iPhone 12 restore completed. We will see restore in progress on iPhone and iPhone restarts. After iPhone restarts, we can check WhatsApp for WhatsApp data that we have transferred from Android's WhatsApp. See, here we have all the chats including photos, videos, stickers, voice notes and more. Amazing work by Wondershare Dr.Fone WhatsApp transfer. That's how easily we can transfer WhatsApp chats from one phone to another phone, iOS or Android, using Wondershare Dr.Fone. Well, not just WhatsApp transfer. There is so much more we can do with Wondershare Dr.Fone, as it can be your all-in-one Android and iOS solution. I will highly recommend you all to try out Wondershare Dr.Fone if you are looking to transfer WhatsApp chats from one phone to another phone, be it iPhone or Android. Wanna try? Then simply find the links in the description and pinned comment. That's what I had for today. Hope you found this useful and got value. If yes, let me know by smashing that like button. Also, share your views and feedback in comments. And if you are new to WM Originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Techie Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Are you looking to get started being a content creator and make videos for YouTube? Well then, this video is exactly for you. Today I wanna show you all how to record a software tutorial video in minutes and tips for creating engaging and effective tutorial video.